Respected brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At a time when the world faces challenges of division and misunderstanding, we invite you to an evening of wisdom, reflection, and unity at the Azimushan Ijlas-e-Aam organized by Rahma Foundation on February 8th, 2025 after Maghrib at Mittal Ground, Mumbai, under the theme Insaniyat ki Khidmat bila tafriq mazhab o millat, service to humanity beyond religion and community. This gathering is not just for Muslims, but for everyone who believes in kindness, justice, and the power of unity. Honored intellectuals, scholars, and thinkers will enlighten us on our collective responsibility towards society, emphasizing the spirit of compassion and coexistence. Special arrangements, including separate seating for ladies with privacy, have been made to ensure a comfortable and enriching experience for all. Let us come together beyond faith and backgrounds to listen, learn, and strengthen our commitment to humanity. Your presence will make a difference. Join us at the remarkable event. Be a part of a movement that stands for unity, wisdom, and service to all. We look forward to welcoming you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.